Welcome to Brillians training video. Brillians is the new name for the application previously known as SupraVISTA. Today's topic is document search by date range. Did you ever ask CPRS? I am looking for all the cardiology-related progress notes, consults, and procedures. But I do not know the author or the title of these documents. Can you load and search the full text of all such documents written within the last 5 years? In CPRS, the search for progress notes and consults is quite limited. Frequently, the user does not know the author or the exact title of the document. Brillians allows you to find progress notes, consults, and procedures notes by their partial title. Without knowing the exact titles, you can load all the documents with cardio, echo, and cath in their title. You can specify the date range for documents to load. You can do keyword search on the loaded data. Can you show me a real-life use case of how this is helpful to me? Okay, consider the following. The patient says he had some cardiology tests done about 2 years ago. One of the tests had bad results and needs to be followed up. The patient does not remember the name of the procedure or the provider. Can you find that data? For the described scenario, it is virtually impossible to find the desired data using CPRS. With Brillians, it takes seconds. Tell me, what is in it for me? Sure. This is how you will benefit. 1. Using the document search, you can save a lot of time and frustration. 2. You can quickly find all the relevant documents without knowing their exact title, author, or the exact time frame. 3. You can do keyword search on the loaded document's text. 4. With a right click, you can copy and paste the data in your progress note. Here is a word of caution. Brillians directly loads documents from the VistA system according to your search criteria. Therefore, depending on the volume of matching documents, it may take a few seconds to load the data. Please use the date range according to the patient's history, to limit the amount of data that will be loaded. Like most features and tools in Brillians, the search documents by date range functionality discussed in this training video is displayed on a dedicated form. To open this form, please do the following. 1. On the main form stop panel, click on the Search Docs button. This opens a menu under the button. 2. On the menu, click on the Search Documents by Date Range, as shown in the image. This opens the form shown on the next slide. To load the documents you are looking for, please do the following. 1. Select the date range using the drop-down box in the left upper corner. 2. Enter semicolon-separated list of document titles in the search box. We recommend using partial titles as shown in the image. In this case, the user is looking for all documents that have the words cardio, echo, stress test, and cath in their title. 3. Click on the Load Documents button. Within seconds, all the matching documents are loaded. As shown in the image, the loaded documents are placed on separate tabs. There are dedicated tabs for consults, procedures, and progress notes. The tab's caption also shows the number of documents found. Brillians allows you to search all the documents with minimal effort. The user interface to search data is same as many other forms. Here is some good advice from Grandma. Please review the training video on keyword search. Brillians uses this powerful feature on every form, where full text search is relevant. The image on this slide shows results of the keyword search. As shown in the image, the user searched for atrial, rhythm, and ECG. Brillians searches the text on each tab. The matching words are highlighted, as pointed by the green arrows. The number of matches is displayed on each tab, as pointed by the red arrows. Click on the tab to review. When the user clicks on a tab, the matching lines are displayed in the list, along the right side of the screen. Click on any line to scroll the document to display that line. Grandma says, for best results, please consider the following tips. 1. Use partial words, for example, orthosc will match orthoscopic, orthoscopy. Malign will match malignant, malignancy. 2. Think of possible combinations the users may have used, for example, AFib, atrial fib, or LVEF, ejection fraction. 3. Brillians ignores spaces around user-entered search words. To force a space, use the underscore character, that is, type Shift- next to 0 on top row of the keyboard. 4. Avoid too many search words. It is hard to review results if you end up with scores of matching documents. Start with a few specific words, then broaden the search, if needed. 5. Be aware of abbreviations and lab and imaging name variations. Is it CT chest, or CT thorax? Is it PSA, or prostatic antigen? Experiment. Pretty soon you get hang of it. Any data displayed in Brillians can be easily copied into CPRS. 1. Highlight the text to paste. 2. Right-click over the highlighted text. The menu opens. 3. Click on the appropriate choice on the menu. Here is a reminder from Grandma. You must have a CPRS progress note, or addendum, open to paste the data. The data is pasted at the keyboard cursor position. For flexible document search, Brillians also provides another way to search the documents. Instead of searching documents by title and date range, as shown in this training video, the user can find all the document titles the patient ever had. The user can use those titles to find the needed data. How to search the data using documents by category is described in a separate training video. The VistA system supports 3 categories of TIU documents: consults, progress notes, and discharge summary. This slide shows the differences between the 2 methods to find and search the desired documents. As always, the best way to learn a new skill is to play with it. You cannot do any harm to the patient's medical record, or to Brillians, by exploring various features. So, please feel free to click around, open forms, and check out various features. Thank you for taking time to review this presentation. We have many informative presentations on YouTube. Please search YouTube for Brillians Training, or SupraVISTA Medical DSS. If you have any questions, please contact us at help.supravista@gmail.com.